Welcome to tonight's special report, The State of Our Waters. Pollution poses a growing threat to our planet. Joining me are reporters Mary Rose Broquesa from our Environment Desk and Rico J. Blavis from our Health and Wellness team.
Our planet diverse bodies of water, support aquatic life, regulates climates, and provide resources. Let's explore these natural wonders. Over 70% of Earth's surface, seas, lakes, rivers, streams, and ponds comprises vital ecosystems. Water pollution is a widespread issue affecting our planet, with approximately 70% of industrial waste being dumped directly into water bodies. This staggering figure contributes to the alarming fact that 80% of wastewater globally is dumped back into the water supply untreated.
In terms of specific water bodies, about 40% of rivers and 46% of lakes in the United States are polluted to the extent that they are unhealthy for swimming, fishing, and aquatic life. The situation is even more dire in low-income countries, where unsafe water sources account for a significant share of death, with rates of often exceed. The situation is even more dire in low-income countries, where unsafe water sources account for a significant share of deaths, with rates often exceeding 50 deaths per 100 people. The situation is even more dire in low-income countries, where unsafe water sources account for a significant share of death, with rates often exceeding 50 deaths per 100,000 people.
Globally, water pollution is responsible for more than 1 million deaths each year, with waterborne diseases like cholera and typhoid being major concerns. The World Health Organization estimates that 2 million deaths annually are attributed to waterborne diseases, mostly affecting your children.
So what are the causes of water pollution?
Great question, partner. Human activities like the release harmful substances, threatening water quality, chemicals from industrial waste, biological pollution from our sewage systems, and radiological pollution from nuclear waste each possess significant risks. Industrial effluent from chemicals, heavy metals, and toxic substances, agricultural runoff like pesticides, fertilizers, manure, and oil spills from pipelines, vessels, and refineries.
Water pollution harms aquatic ecosystems, human health, and economies. Habitat destruction, water scarcity, and its health issues demand urgent attention. Exposure to pollutants increase cancer risk, neurological damage, skin conditions, and exposure to waterborne diseases like cholera, typhoid, and gastrointestinal issues.
Emerging technologies offer scope. Green infrastructures, biomediation, and renewable energy pave the path to sustainability.
Individual actions count. Let's reduce, reuse, and recycle. Support organizations working towards pollution prevention. Save our waters.
Save our waters.